horns. And there he blasts the tree and takes the wild animals and makes it drink out of them.
Oh, what of this?
Marry, this should be our plan. That Falstaff beat us by the oak tree, disguised like a bear, with huge horns on his head.
Let it not be doubted.
And in this shape, when you have brought him thither, what should be done with him? What is your plot?
That likewise have we thought upon, and thus 3 or 4 we dress like spirits, traditional bright tapers on their heads and rattles in their hands. Upon their sight, as Falstaff, she and I are newly met, we let them from forth a sulky rush at once, with disorienting